In today's video, I am going to teach you how to personalize constant contact emails. Personalizing your email is a simple way to make messages feel more direct and more relevant to each contact. In Constant Contact, one of the most common personalization tools is the greeting tag. It lets you automatically insert a greeting that can include a contact's name based on the information you have saved in your list. To begin, make sure you are in the email editor for the message you are working on. This is the area where you can edit the layout and update the wording of your email. Once you are in the editor, click into the text block where you want the personalized greeting to appear. It is important to place your cursor exactly where you want the greeting to be inserted, because Constant Contact will add the tag at the cursor location. Next, go up to the toolbar and click Insert. From that menu, choose Greeting Tag. This opens the options you will use to control how the greeting will look for your readers. Now choose your salutation. This is the opening word or phrase, such as hi or dear. Pick the one that best matches the tone of your email. After that, choose the name format you want to use. For example, you might select first name if you want something friendly and casual, or you might choose a different format if you prefer a more formal style. The goal is to match the greeting to how your audience expects to be addressed. Then, set your fallback text. This is a key detail, because not every contact record will have a name filled in. The fallback text is what people will see if the name field is missing. Choose something that still sounds natural in the sentence, so the greeting does not feel awkward. A simple general option often works well. Once you have selected the salutation, name format, and fallback text, click Insert. You should now see the greeting tag appear inside your text block, right where your cursor was placed. Take a moment to read the surrounding sentence to make sure spacing and punctuation look correct, and that the greeting flows smoothly with the rest of your message. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.